When I express a nihilistic perspective, I receive enormous amounts of challenge, which is wonderful, because there's so much indoctrination, so much empty platitudes, and that people cling to it because of the profound conditioning that we all go through from birth until death. We are trained to see only what they want us to see. Who's they? People ask. All of us. We are addicted to consciousness, you might say, to filter every human experience, as if there's such a thing as human, through a lens, a filter, mediated consciousness. We exist in a concentration camp. Civilization. Existence being the modern world, a world that tells us whatever it is, and we are to believe it. We believe in beneficence of our governments, in the importance of ideas and ideologies that tell us what to see. There's nothing there. We can see it. We know that we are here in the modern world, as they call it, to be used and abused by industrial civilization. We are literally born, some might say, to be just that. There's no other reason we're here except what use are you? We have to work to live. We have to pay to live. And no one questions that, because that's the way things are. It is the way of things. And when we question too far, we're a threat. If we challenge, we're a menace. And in our modern media world, all the narratives are painted for us. Terrorist, extremist, crazy. What if we looked at those people who explode in what people call violence? Every example of the horror of what these people do as a cry of rebellion against the cesspool of civilization. And they'd say, no, that is not what they're doing. They're crazy. They're crazy. But that's the point, see? They want to debate you in this nonsense of trying to explain. Explain the mass psychology. Explain the crazies. Explain why people do what they do when there is no explanation. And when I hear them invoke nihilism in our media, it is that belieflessness that is such a threat. That those that don't have an anchor in the value system of our enslavement, the nihilist, they're the evil, when we know evil is just a word. There's been no more death than that what industrial civilization has done and continues to do. It is easy to see that anyone that pays attention, that industrial civilization is destroyed, has destroyed the living world, annihilated our food, our water, and our air. But you say, no, of course not. That's not true. Look at all of us that are living. 8 billion people. We, of course, don't speak about the bottom billion. But those are platitudes, they say. Those are the platitudes that everything isn't all right. We know everything's fine. Everything's great. Nothing could be further from what is happening.